Ganyan pala yun. Pag ako nagkaganyan, papatatuan ko.
Pwede, butterfly.
Ayoko ng butterfly. Bakit? Hindi akin account to sa pinsan ko. Sa pinsan ko. Oo. Core user.
Mad! Wow, nakaraan pencil din. May pencil ulit.
Hi guys. Hindi ka marunong mag-shoot. Di naman daw kasi siya nag-shoot.
Hindi na pencil.
Hi crowd. Thank you sa pag-repost.
Ali, pangalaki na to.
Nag-mythical honor din ako eh.
Wow, sana all.
Thank you, Jel. Marami akong tattoo, Jel.
Mythic lang.
Nag-mythical honor din ako, pero 56 points.
Wow, totoo.
56 points.
Ay,
Akin lang. Legend 1.
ay, panuloy ko.
Ay, mythical honor o glory? Ano ba? Di ko alam eh. Laro lang ako ng laro.
Kumberto dyan, ha?
So, guys.
Simento pa naman dito. Hindi pa naman playground.
Tattoo artist ka? Talaga? That's nice.
Ayaw mo? Ikaw?
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guy.
Pencil.
Hi, Chap!
Pencil.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
From Bulacan.
Ganun daw. May partner na blue na dami.
Wala siyang ganyang dirt.
Tito! Hi, Tito Lexo.
Pointing at the bad guys.
How was dinner? Nag-street food lang kami. Yun na yung dinner namin. Hi, Gab. Yun na yung dinner namin.
Marami kami din master ng
The gun represents justice.
G2.
When pointing at the bad guy.
1. Hala, lalalago. Hi.
Agad master, ano sana eh, ng 12 star na. Isang star na lang.
G2 siya.
Master 1 na. Yung kami atin naglaro, sabi na naman.
Bilis ng kamay.
Dalawa tayo.
Initiate retreat.
Piyong. Mabilis talaga kamay ko, guys. Mabilis talaga kamay ko. Masanay na kayo.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Bye-bye.
Hi, someone.
Sige, din mo. Bili tayo din mo.
Thank you, Serge. Guys, nag-dinner na kayo?
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Ba't lulusot?
That once little girl.
At si Belle pala yung tank nila.
The gun
Hi,
represents
Chad.
justice. When pointing at the bad guys. The enemy has slain the turtle. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
ML po.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Hindi, sa bahay ko.
An enemy has
Nanibago lang kayo, guys. Nasa bahay ako.
that once little girl is gonna
Wala
save
sa bahay
someone
ko.
this time.
Hi, RJ.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Okay. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice. Pointing at the alliance, you have slain an enemy.
Oo, wala ako sa room kaya iba-background
That
ko.
once little girl is gonna save someone. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. The gun represents enemy has been slain.
Nakakapanibago, yun lang.
Hindi ako kasi ano.
Hi, Chard!
That once little girl.
How are you, Chard?
Launch attack.
Okay, naninibago kayo. Wait lang. Subuhan mo ko. Ito sinusubuhan ako.
Pointing at that guy. Initiate retreat.
Thank you.
Go! Nahimik ko na.
Hi, babe!
Initiate retreat.
How are you, babe? Sali ako. Hindi ko account to, babe. Hindi akin to account.
Ano siya? Ano si Babe Bote?
Epic ata.
Paano lang, paano?
Ah, sige. Hindi ko account to eh.
Perfect.
Hindak ko lang. Yung master ko. Isa na lang sila kung lang eh. Ito ko na ka.
The gun represents justice.
Okay, sa yun.
Launch attack.
Legend ka. Legend ka kaya. Tapos legend.
Hi, guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone.
Hi, Gio.
Ay, ano na yung sunod, ano?
Babe, hi, Jay.
Initiate retreat.
Hindi ko Flores.
Slain. Initiate retreat.
Bibili
Hi,
ako.
Jay.
Magandang hero.
Our turret is under
Yung
attack.
magandang hero. Magandang play.
The gun represents justice. Pointing at that guy.
Si Drill, ano, Katang,
Ah, sige, sige.
Dodora,
Sige lang, babe.
That once little girl. Ally has been slain.
Margie.
Vexana,
Enemy has been
Kari.
slain.
Ang dami kong hero pero hindi ako
Launch
marunong.
attack.
Dona Pyong.
Yung isang
Maglaro ka na.
yung ano, di medyo,
Enemy double kill.
may sun pala ako.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at that guy. Our turret is under attack.
May pera ka pa ba?
Magkakabili ko lang. Ayan,
Our
natin
turret
tayo.
has been destroyed.
Kailangan 32, di ba? Kakabili ko lang. Joey eh.
Johead, masarap gamitin din si
Kasi hindi
Johead.
ako marunong. Paano ba, ano,
Initiate
screen yun?
retreat.
SS mo,